Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, Australian dollar, US dollar, USD Japanese yen. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Japanese yen for 10th March 2021, Wednesday. So this analysis is for 10th March only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular market analysis, and you can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that right now the market is trading at 108.70. This is the current market price. Okay. And there was no doubt that market was in beautiful uptrend, and after that market is kind of in a correction phase. Okay, so you can see I have also drawn two lines on the chart. The first is 109.23 on the upside and 108.45 on the downside. So what should be our strategy for the day? Our strategy for the day is simple. Okay. We will not be taking any trade in between this range. Okay, this is kind of our no trading zone until and unless 50 moving average comes to the rescue. Okay, so the best and the safest position to execute the buy order will be above this line 109.23. Okay, we can only buy above this line. This is the best place to execute the buy order. In case market slips, okay, in case market slips and crosses this line 108.45 level, then you just watch the price, okay, how the price reacts once it reaches the 50 moving average. Okay, if the price reaches to the 50 moving average and if it takes supports and bounces from here, then that will be also a very good position to execute a buy order. Okay, that will be the best area of value. Okay. And on the other hand, if market crosses this line, just wait for 1 hour, just see how the price is reacting, whether the uptrend is in continuous motion or not. Okay, for that just wait for 1 hour, let the market settle above 109.23. Okay, let the market feel comfortable, let the resistance become the support. Okay, so these two are the levels that you need to watch today. First level is very simple. If it crosses, wait for it, wait for 1 hour at least, then execute. And if it crosses this line, do not short, because if you short the market here, will be going against the trend. Just wait for the price to come down to the 50 moving average and then observe how the price is reacting on the 50 moving average. If it takes supports and bounces, voila, you can buy again. Okay, so this is the strategy, simple strategy that you can follow for USD Japanese yen for 10th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, and bye bye, good luck.